Hi viewers, welcome to Heathrow Terminal 3, one of the busiest and most iconic airport terminals in the world. Whether you are departing or transiting, this guide will take you through everything you need to know, from getting here to navigating the terminal like a pro. Please stay tuned. As you approach the terminal, the bustling drop-off zone marks the beginning of your journey. From check-in to boarding, we will guide you every step of the way with a live map of the terminal. If you're not quite sure which airlines are using this terminal, please check this digital screen for details. It marked all the airlines using this terminal. Let's step through automatic doors into Heathrow Terminal 3, a hub that connects travelers around the globe. The terminal buzzes with energy and anticipation. This is Emirates check-in area. Let's go for a walk on this section of the check-in area and get back to Emirates. As we travel on Emirates Airbus A380, King of Sky, please share your experience of traveling Airbus A380 guys on comments. Head to your respective airline check-in counters. Most of the counters are marked with the airline names and logos, where staff from global carriers are ready to assist you. The Terminal 3 has a rich history, serving millions since it firstly opened in 1961. It's a true gateway for some of the world's best prestigious airlines such as Emirates, American Airlines, British Airways, Qantas, Sri Lankan Airlines, etc. Let's get back to Emirates check-in area. I hope you guys know that Terminal 4 of Heathrow has been mainly dedicated for Cathay Airways, and they have a dedicated counter section. If you have gone through Cathay Airways check-in area, please share your experience and compare with this particular check-in area of Emirates. Please share your views in comments. The travelers can use the self-check-in kiosk to scan their passports and select seats and print boarding passes in minutes. And when it's time to drop off luggage, the self-baggage drop kiosk make it quick and hands-free, letting you breeze through to the next step. You can use the manual check-in process if you encounter an issue or need help. Time to go for security. Premium passengers can enjoy fast-track access, skipping the longer lines altogether. Once through, you enter the duty-free zone. A world of luxury awaits with fragrances, designer fashion, fine spirits, and many more. Heathrow's duty-free shopping is one of the largest in Europe, perfect for grabbing last-minute gifts and treats for you. Terminal 3 is designed so that you pass through duty free zones before you reach the central seating and gates section, sparking curiosity and tempting you to explore the shops along the way. The spacious central seating area is a great place to pause and recharge, surrounded by shops, cafes, and plenty of dining options. Before your flight, why not unwind with one of the premium airport lounges? The Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse, Emirates Lounge, and others offers a peaceful retreat from the terminal bus with luxurious comfort and refreshments. I actually found this amazing restaurant cheap and plenty of place to sit and enjoy the meal as well as kill your time. Service is excellent and fast. Please try this restaurant and the snacks and coffee cost me around £12 only. Digital screen displays your flight information. Check your gates regularly as the gates might get changed. in last moments. It's always recommended to keep eye on these digital screens. When it's time to make your way to gate, follow the long corridors lined with airline brandings and enjoy the convenience of moving walkways as well. It's time for a long walk towards the gates. I'll take you all the way to the far end of the terminal and the most distant gates. Stay with me, let's explore together. Watch out the yellow signboards for your gate numbers and the direction. The airport has plenty of screens and guidance for passengers. We are going to fly the iconic Airbus A380 to Dubai. Stay tuned for an amazing experience with King of Sky soon. Step through the gates for your last moment on the grounds before you embark your next adventure. And if your flight is on iconic Airbus A380, prepare to be amazed by the giant double-decker waiting for you. Jet Bridge, ready to welcome you on board. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and support the channel. Keep flying high and safe travels, guys.